On the philosophic level, the fact that the state is in such bad shape financially that people are beginning to think of out-of-the-box solutions. And so I would say that because of the state's budget situation, that was the governing inspiration for both the Bay Area Council and for us.
There's generally been a positive response toward the Constitutional Convention. Virtually everyone agrees there needs to be major reforms. It's a complex issue, and the question is how best to get there and what those reforms ought to be. It's really a question of does the are there leaders within the state who really want to back this and get behind it, and we hope that there will be, but we'll see. So there's a lot of members of the current legislature who voice support for this. There's a lot of former legislators who voice support for it, and the more people hear about this, the more they tend to like it. At first they're sort of, well, what would it be? They have a lot of questions about it, but once the information starts to get filled in, they tend to like it more. There's a lot of interest in this. People recognize that this is a crisis and it shouldn't be wasted, and that this is an opportunity for California to achieve big changes that could turn the state back in a better direction and provide a government structure that would be much more workable in modern times.
It depends on what happens with our economy and how people are feeling about that. And if things get bad enough, then there'll be a good chance. I have a hard time seeing how things will get that bad, but who knows? We didn't think things would get this bad.
It's got a long haul to try to be successful because there's a lot of education process to take place for people to understand what the Constitutional Convention is all about, and then to convince them that we should go through it. There is concern about how do you do this? How do you choose the delegates? Can you limit it to a specific section of the Constitution like budgetary matters, or do you open it up wider, which I think some people would demand? So there are all these red flags and dangers. That's not something that you tweak. I mean, you have to make decisions on all of these big issues and then present it to the voters. And I think it's going to be difficult to have the voters support such a big package.
The thing is, even if we never have a constitutional convention, we're encouraging a conversation to take place in the state now about reform and the need for it, and so we think that's real positive.
Not much changes until the status quo is more frightening than the change. Maybe we're getting there. A lot of people are upset with the status quo in California.